Hi! Hi, I'm Elise and I'm pretty average at doing makeup, and today I want to show everyone how to do heart blush. So heart blush is, like, in my opinion, the cutest makeup look of all time. As you can see, I'm obsessed with anything heart-shaped, so of course I love heart-shaped blush. I was lucky enough to snag this heart-shaped blush by ColourPop the first day it launched, and they sold out within, I think, 3 minutes. So I thought it would be really cute if I tried this product out. It is in the color My Type. So one of the tricks to doing heart-shaped blush is just getting a bunch of heart stickers. I got these from Target, and I pretty much have a lifetime supply.
So the first step is to put on your heart stickers. I try to put them on as symmetrically as possible. As you can see, I had to adjust one to make them a little bit more even. And then this is the fun part, you start applying the blush. I was extremely surprised at how well this blush covered. It was very pigmented. I love this shade of pink. And then I'm just applying it as much as I can. Be careful not to get under the stickers because you want the under sticker to be your skin tone. And then after you feel like you put on enough of a base coat of blush, you want to start outlining the heart sticker a little bit more so then it sticks out. I realized that highlighting or using the blush was not a really great highlight color because it's a little, you know, the same shade. So I used eyeshadow instead from the Lime Crime palette that I have. I just used a really bright pink. And I just, again, am trying to pack on this color as much as possible because I want the heart to be the highlight of my face. And then once you're happy with everything, it's time to peel the stickers off. Oh my gosh, so cute!
And this is the final look. It doesn't just have to be for Valentine's Day. I think it's good for pictures and just being cute. As you can see, I am not the best at doing makeup, but I try, so I hope you enjoyed this video. Bye.